It's a figure that might surprise you. Every year, businesses are blindsided by losses they never saw coming. Not because of market volatility or economic downturns, but because of something much more subtle and insidious. Businesses, both large and small, are losing millions every year, not from market crashes but from something hidden: bad data. It's the silent profit killer that creeps into every department, from sales to shipping, and quietly chips away at your bottom line. Simple errors like a misspelled street name or an extra zero can trigger a chain reaction of costly mistakes. These tiny slip-ups can snowball, causing confusion, delays, and expensive fixes down the line. Imagine sending thousands of shipments to the wrong address or basing a major marketing campaign on flawed information. The consequences aren't just embarrassing, they're expensive and they can damage your reputation. These aren't rare events. They're daily realities for companies that ignore data quality. Every day, teams waste hours untangling problems that could have been prevented with clean data. Enter data cleaning, not just tidying up spreadsheets but protecting your bottom line. It's about building trust in your numbers and ensuring your business runs smoothly. Clean data means you can trust your numbers, make smarter decisions, and spot opportunities your competitors miss. It empowers your team to act with confidence, knowing the information they rely on is accurate. Experts call it the 1-10-100 rule. $1 to verify a record, 10 to clean it later, 100 if you ignore it. The longer you wait, the more expensive the problem becomes. Costs pile up from wasted resources, failed marketing, and lost customers. Bad data can even lead to regulatory fines or compliance issues, adding to the financial pain. Multiply a single bad record by thousands, and the losses are staggering. It's like a leak in your finances that grows bigger with every unchecked error. Data cleaning is risk management, like checking a house's foundation before building. Without it, everything you build is at risk of collapse. You wouldn't build on shaky ground. Don't build your business on unreliable data. The risks are simply too great to ignore. In today's world, data quality is directly tied to business health. Companies that prioritize clean data outperform those that don't. The cost of ignoring it? Simply too high. It's a risk no business can afford. Invest a little upfront, and you prevent enormous costs later. A small investment in data quality pays off in big ways. Clean data is the foundation of sound business intelligence. It's the secret weapon behind every successful data-driven company. Don't let bad data quietly drain your profits. Take control, clean your data, and watch your business thrive. Many see data cleaning as a tedious IT chore, something that's relegated to the back office or left for later when there's more time. It's often viewed as a necessary evil, a task that slows down progress and drains resources. But that's missing the point entirely. When data cleaning is overlooked, the consequences ripple throughout the organization, affecting every department and every decision. It's a strategic activity that shapes your company's ability to compete, adapt, and thrive in a fast-paced market. Clean data is the backbone of effective strategy and innovation. Clean data isn't just about fixing typos or removing duplicates. It's about refining your most valuable resource, ensuring accuracy, consistency, and trust in every insight you draw. Think of it like a chef choosing only the best ingredients. Your business outcomes depend on data quality. Just as a great meal starts with fresh produce, great decisions start with reliable data. Inaccurate data leads to flawed reports, wasted marketing budgets, missed opportunities, and ultimately, bad decisions that can set your company back. When leadership prioritizes data quality, it becomes everyone's responsibility, not just the IT department's. This commitment must start at the top and cascade through every level. This shift creates a culture where data is respected, maintained, and protected from the start, making quality a shared value across teams. Clean data empowers teams to make bold, informed decisions, driving innovation and giving your company a competitive edge. Sales managers trust their dashboards, knowing the numbers reflect reality and not just wishful thinking. Product developers build what customers actually want, based on accurate feedback and reliable trends. Treating data cleaning as a strategic priority is an investment in clarity, confidence, and the future of your business. It's not just tidying up, it's building the foundation for a truly data-driven organization, one that can weather change and seize new opportunities. Make data quality a business imperative, not an afterthought. Prioritize it in every project, every process, and every decision. That's how you set your company up for long-term success, resilience, and growth in a world driven by information. How big is the bad data problem, really? It's a question that haunts every business, no matter the size or industry. Studies say up to 30% of business data is inaccurate, incomplete, or outdated, an astonishing figure that can't be ignored. That's 3 out of every 10 records. Wrong phone numbers, misspelled names, outdated addresses, and more. Each one is a potential point of failure. These errors aren't rare, they're systemic, creeping in from typos, rushed entries, and inconsistent formats. Even the most careful employees can make mistakes under pressure. Different departments use different standards, USA, United States, USA, and chaos builds. Small inconsistencies snowball into major confusion. Pulling data from multiple sources only compounds the mess, making it even harder to trust what you see in your reports. The result? Marketing emails bounce, deliveries fail, and critical decisions are made on shaky ground. Opportunities are lost and costs quietly rise. These errors are often hidden, quietly undermining your business from the inside out. You may not notice them until it's too late. The first step is acknowledging the scale of the problem. Only then can you begin to address it with real solutions. You can't prevent every error, but you can build systems to find and fix them. Proactive data management is key to staying ahead. Up to 1/3 of your data could be working against you, sabotaging your efforts and eroding trust in your analytics. That's why data cleaning isn't optional. It's essential for survival. It's the foundation for every smart business decision you make. Recognize the mess, take action, and you can start to fix it, turning chaos into clarity and uncertainty into confidence. Cleaning a massive database can feel overwhelming, but some fixes are surprisingly simple. Start by removing duplicates. Merge John Smith, Jay Smith, and Jonathan Smith at the same address into one record. This saves money and looks professional. Next, standardize formats, phone numbers, dates, addresses, pick one style and stick to it. Consistency makes your data usable and reliable. Fix typos and misspelling so you can actually find the records you need. Use tools to spot and correct common errors. Handle missing data, fill in gaps, mark as unknown, or remove the record. These basic steps, deduplication, standardization, typo correction, and handling blanks, transform chaos into order. Each small fix adds up, turning unreliable data into a trustworthy resource. You don't need complex algorithms to start, just a clear plan and attention to detail. Simple actions, big impact. That's the power of basic data cleaning. Manual cleaning works for small datasets, but it's impractical at scale. Specialized data cleaning tools automate error finding and correction, saving time and effort. OpenRefine, a free tool, helps you spot inconsistencies and clean data in bulk, no coding required. For bigger needs, enterprise tools like Talend and Trifacta manage the entire data lifecycle and automate quality checks. These platforms handle massive volumes and complex sources, keeping data clean as it enters your system. The right tool makes data cleaning efficient and less prone to human error. Whether you're a small business or a global enterprise, there's a solution for you. Let software turn a monumental task into a manageable process. Data cleaning is a true transformation, turning chaos into clarity. You start with a data swamp, messy, inconsistent, and full of hidden traps. Profiling tools scan your data, highlighting blank fields, common values, and format issues. This diagnostic phase gives you a roadmap for cleaning. Then you merge duplicates, standardize formats, fix spelling, and handle missing info. Each step imposes order, and you watch your data take shape. The inconsistencies vanish, and a logical structure emerges. The result? A clean, validated, trustworthy dataset. Now your reports are accurate, your analyses meaningful, and your forecasts reliable. Clean data becomes a strategic advantage, not a liability. It's a clear lens for business insight and confident decision-making. The transformation is labor-intensive, but the payoff is huge. Clean data is your competitive edge. The cost of dirty data is real, and sometimes disastrous. A clothing company sent winter coat ads to customers in tropical climates due to a location data error, wasting money and damaging its brand. In finance, a typo in a credit score can unfairly deny someone a loan, or flawed historical data can lead to million-dollar investment mistakes. Even public services suffer. Duplicate criminal records can hide someone's full history, impacting justice and safety. These aren't rare flukes, they're preventable failures. Each could have been avoided with robust data cleaning. Bad data isn't abstract, it has real-world consequences for profits, reputations, and lives. Investing in data quality is insurance against costly mistakes. Build systems to catch errors before they cause harm. Data cleaning protects your business and your customers. Clean data does more than tidy up your database. It powers better decisions everywhere. Trustworthy data means teams spend less time second-guessing and more time analyzing. Marketing can target the right customers, making campaigns more effective and relevant. Operations run smoother, logistics optimize routes, inventory is managed efficiently, and waste is reduced. Every department benefits faster, smarter decisions, and a more agile organization. Clean data is the fuel for business intelligence and innovation. It's not just about avoiding mistakes, it's about creating new opportunities. The ripple effect is a company that's proactive, confident, and strategic. Outperform your rivals by making decisions you can trust. Clean data transforms your organization from reactive to remarkable. The journey from messy to clean data is transformative, and it never really ends. Investing in data cleaning delivers some of the highest returns in business today. Clean data means clarity, efficiency, and smarter decisions. It plugs profit leaks from bad data, saving real money that can be reinvested in growth. But the value goes beyond cost savings. Clean data unlocks new revenue, reveals your best customers, and helps you innovate. It empowers employees, reduces frustration, and builds a culture of excellence. A sales team that trusts its CRM is more effective. Analysts uncover insights that drive progress. Data cleaning is a strategic foundation, not just a technical task. It powers smart decisions, efficient operations, and sustainable growth. In today's competitive world, clarity is currency. Commit to clean data and you secure your future. Build a more intelligent, resilient, and profitable business, starting with your data.